What's good, guys? What is good, guys? Currently, I am in Venice. Did a bit of market analysis for Thursday on yesterday. Yeah, I did a bit of analysis on Thursday on yesterday on Friday. So basically, today is Saturday, and I'm gonna walk you quickly through the PPI day, which turned out to be a little bit unexpected for me. We can go to Forex Factory to see how PPI turned out to be. But on CPI days on Tuesday was kind of crazy. President Trump speaks. Okay. Let me show you from here to here. I'm in a hotel in Florence right now. So yesterday I went to Venice. Today I'm in Florence. Uh, it's a bit dead in August. It's too hot in Italy. But I already booked it, so gotta make the most out of it. So basically, a core CPI day, little bit bearish. So risk assets like stocks and crypto, which is booming. You're like, oh, okay, there's no constraints on the dollars. Shit stays normal. We go bullish, but as soon as Thursday came, it came out green. It was green for dollars. So risk assets like stocks, it came boom down here. At 1:30 though, but the thing is, a really funny setup on that day was that price did not go down good enough for the smart money to profit. It was one of the most obvious days I've seen so far. That price got down to this level. You see this little wick. That is 1:30. That is 1:30. Oi! Oh no, yeah, that's 1:30. Sorry, yeah, that's Italian time. Yeah, so that's the first wick. Yeah, so price got to here, but smart money they tried to pump the market down, crash the market basically, to hit this really strong liquidity level of previous day low and the 4 hour February gap. I hate doing analysis like 4 days before because I can't really see it. Basically, that's the 4 hour February gap over there. If I tapped in there. What I liked from that setup was that, my analysis is that I try to keep it so simple, but I still have to take the things that are important into account. I don't like skipping things that might affect my analysis. So I try to keep it simple, but I show everything that's needed to be seen. You know what I'm saying? So basically, 1 hour low in the February gap. So as these two liquidities stayed near each other, shit went down. Yes, the smart money they would love to push the money down here so they would profit off the resting buy orders from here. So as I was doing my review, I saw this thing as looking like a quite an imminent breakers block because there's a strong internal liquidity down here. Get the hell out of here, man. Here. So I would have waited patiently to see if Pride disrespect that order block, as eventually did. We form a breakers block to the upside, and as we saw a good family gap over here. Um, so we can put a stop loss here. Normally I would put my stop loss all the way down here, which is a bit for that day. If I put my stop loss down there, I'll have to keep my take profit all the way up here. I mean, it eventually will hit. It did hit. Uh, I think I checked, yeah, I did hit that liquidity level. I think it was all times high or something. But the presence of the featherly gap allowed me to risk a few more, to be riskier, to be able to put the stop loss here on the wick that the featherly gap formed. Came in for 2R, breakers block confirming it, breaker structure over here. And breaker structure over here. That's it. That's it. It's a clean 2R for that day. It was quite quick because they did this at 2:30, but if you don't watch it carefully enough, you wouldn't have enough time and, you know what I'm saying, enough like resources to back your setup. The setup would be around like 241 or even 243, even this one at 256. 256 would be actually nice to be able to put your stop loss here, targeting a 5R, but we got in early over here. Most of the time it wouldn't actually give you a good order block like this. Yeah, most of the time it wouldn't, but if you were to do that, then good. I will do the Fridays review real quick. Apart from that, let me just relax and I'm gonna go to Florence Central and chill and eat waffles and that. There's a gym in my hotel, so let's see what they got. Do you have any question about the trades? Anything about my life? Anything? Questions regarding your daily life? What you're struggling with? Drop in a comment. If you're liking the content so far, it'd be good to hit a red subscribe button. It'll motivate me a lot. Hit the likes, it boosts the algorithm. And if you enjoyed until here, yeah, why not? It's free, and you get a lot from this video anyway. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.